High-quality stainless steel mesh belts. Teflon mesh belts are adopted, which are heat-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and ensure stable and reliable conveying. Supports double-layer or sheet and multi-layer structure design, making full use of space and improving drying efficiency. The equipment temperature and conveying speed are flexibly adjustable to ensure uniform and consistent drying of materials. It is suitable for the characteristics of different materials and is widely used in the wood industry. The whole machine has a solid structure, stable operation, supports non-standard customization, and meets various production capacity demands. It is an ideal choice for large-scale continuous drying.